welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson is going to be crocheting a magic ring. Now, when it comes to crocheting a magic ring, I can think of at least 4 different ways that you can start your magic ring. And so in this lesson, I'm going to show you 2 ways to start a magic ring. And to do this, I'm going to be using Bernat premium yarn in pink, and I'll be using a size 5 hook, also known as a H8 hook. To start the lesson, I will crochet the standard method used, which is looping around your fingers to start. So you're going to leave yourself a tail. You're going to loop over your fingers once and then loop over your fingers twice. Then you'll take your hook and go under the first loop and over the second loop. Bring the second loop forward and twist. And it should look like this. Then you'll want to grab your working yarn and then yarn over and then pull through the loop on the hook, and there's your slip knot. So if we do that again, you're going to leave yourself a tail, loop once, loop twice, take your hook, go under the first loop, over the second loop, pull the second loop forward, twist, grab your working yarn, and then yarn over, and then pull through the loop on the hook, and there's your slip knot. The next step will be to crochet 12 single crochets. So to start, we're going to insert our hook through the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring, then you'll have your 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, and then pull through both loops. So that's insert your hook through the ring, yarn over, pull through, you have your 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through. So there's 2, insert, yarn over, pull through, you have your 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through, and now we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now that we have our 12 single crochets, we're going to close our ring. So just grab your tail and pull your yarn tight, and now your ring is closed. To finish the magic ring, we will need to insert our hook into the very first stitch, and we're going to make a slip stitch. And there we go. And now our magic ring is complete. The second version is the most common method used for creating a magic ring. In fact, when I first started out crocheting, this is the way that I would start my magic ring. Now, to start, you need to have your tail, and then you're going to create a slip knot. Once you have your slip knot, just insert your hook, pull, and now you're going to chain. This version has 3 ways that you can start it. You can either start with a chain 2, a chain 4, or a chain 6. In my opinion, I would only do a chain 6 if I was working double crochets into my magic ring. But for this lesson, we're doing single crochet. So I'm just going to have a chain 4. So here's my chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step will be to insert your hook into the 4th chain from the hook. Once you've inserted, you're going to pull through, and then you're going to pull through the loop on your hook, and there's your slip stitch. Now we're going to be working in the center of the ring. So we're going to work 12 single crochets into there. So you're just going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then you'll have your 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and there's your first single crochet. Again, that's insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So insert through the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And now we have 3 single crochets. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now that we have our 12 single crochets, we're going to find our first stitch, which is right here. Now, once we have our first stitch, we're going to grab our working yarn, and we're going to actually insert our hook into the first stitch here. Then yarn over, pull through, and then pull through the loop on your hook, and there's your slip stitch. Then you're going to pull on your tail to just close your ring. And now the center of your ring is closed, and there's your second version of a magic ring. I hope this lesson was helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'll answer them to the best of my abilities. Join me next Thursday for lesson 2, where we will learn how to single crochet. Thanks for watching.